Okay guys, what's up? So today I'm going together with Ebbie to get something at the shops. Good afternoon, Ebbie.
Good afternoon, babe.
How are you today?
I'm fine, babe.
Okay, you're fine. So we're heading now for a trip. Can you run full diagnostics?
Running full diagnostics. Oil 1000 kms until the next service. Tires 90% okay. Battery voltage 14.9 volts okay. Engine health okay. Electronics okay.
Okay, Ebbie, thank you. So guys, me and Ebbie will be going now, and just going for a short trip to the shop to get some accessories for my cameras. What's the forecast for today, Ebbie?
Forecast for today is cloudy with scattered rain showers.
Thank you.
At 14 degrees centigrade.
Too much traffic today, Ebbie, right?
Traffic conditions today is normal.
Not so much. You're feeling in tip-top shape today?
Yes, I do. In fact, I am so happy that you are enjoying the ride.
I hope you'll be like this all the time.
Hopefully, if you take good care of me.
At least this is a good upgrade for you.
Certainly, my darling babe. It is an honor to be the first talking motorbike in the world.
It's been a long time that I've been dreaming of a motorcycle that can talk.
I will serve you to the best of my abilities, my babe.
So here we go. So Ebbie, say hi to everyone.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching our show.
I hope everyone's okay. So guys, I'm here now in one of the shops here in my area. Just trying to get things done here. us. Best parking of all. Okay guys, catch you later. Let's go, Ebbie. Just stay here, okay?
Sure, darling.
Keep an eye.
I hope the battery won't drain since I'm still running.
A few moments later.
You've been a good girl, Ebbie. Thanks for waiting. Good girl.
I will always be waiting for you, babe. My only wish is that you won't replace me for another.
So today, guys, me and Abby will be going to another shop. Still looking for a special type of lavalier for one of my cameras. Too much foggy in my sunglasses. I don't have like a shady visor for my helmet, so just make do with it. Things all right, Ebbie?
Sure do, honey. I hope you are feeling comfy as always.
Thank goodness. Ready for a spin now. Phew. That's the way to go, Ebbie. Whew.
Giddy up, macho cowboy.
I love you, baby.
I love you to the bottom of my combustion chamber, my honey bunch.
There we go. Almost gonna rain now, Ebbie.
My only wish is that my circuit boards won't get wet. I am afraid never to be with you again.
Yeah, guys. Darkly skies now. I hope it won't rain, because you won't get wet. You don't want to get wet, Ebbie, right? I don't want to damage your electronics.
Sure do. Please keep me away from the rain. It would be a privilege.
On a Sunday. Oh no! Thunder, mud, thundery clouds. You know what? I'll be going in there first. So guys, that's the advantage of having a motorbike. You won't get stuck in traffic, but you just have to be careful, you know. Hope rain's not gonna come and wow, bikes, eh? Bikers. don't get stuck in the rain. Ebbie, say hi to our viewers, to our new viewers. Please tell them to subscribe.
Hi everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe to Don Pepito Motoridez, or else I would not be happy at all.
Thank you so much, Ebbie. I hope you'll have fans too.
It's alright, honey. I am more concerned about you. I hope they will recognize your channel sooner or later.
Just fall in line in here. I think it's still open. If it rains, I'm doomed. But you know, I just take it as it is. I hope my camera is not wet. Yeah, it's raining now. Oh my dear. Gonna be wet now, Ebbie. Can we do?
I can still manage, babe. I am well afraid of heavy rains.
On the top and taking shelter. I'm gonna be taking shelter here, Ebbie. Keep you safe and warm and dry. Say thank you.
Thank you so much, babe, to the moon and back. You would always be my baby.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be going inside the shop and taking care of business.
A few moments later.
Hello, Ebbie. You miss me?
Hello, baby. I miss you even more after a few minutes.
Just a short while. Just disappeared for a short while. And then you miss me right away. Phew. Another foggy. So foggy, Ebbie. Oh, slow down. Oh, you're not an enduro bike, but you can manage. You have nice shock absorbers, upside down fork, and monoshock.
In every man's success in his journey is behind it a wonderful iron baby steed.
This one used to be a large hardware, but now it's declared itself as, I don't know if they're bankrupt or not. Alright guys, comment below what you think of my Ebbie talking like an AI. Ebbie, can you tell them what they think about you talking? Because you're one of a kind now. You're the first motorcycle that is able to talk. You're more than those expensive Ducatis and BMWs. Able to talk now, Ebbie. Thanks to your small microchip that has been installed to your system. Say thanks to Daddy.
Thanks, Pappy. I love you so much.
You're welcome, Ebbie. You really sound nice, Ebbie. And ride smoothly.
My pleasure, my dear.
Bit vibration in there. I don't know where, maybe somewhere here in the screen. In your screen, Ebbie. Next time around you need to self-repair. You'll be the first motorcycle to self-repair. It's a world best, a world record. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Ebbie, say to them something.
My dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my one and only Don Pepito. Thank you so much.
Okay guys, from me and Ebbie, my talking motorcycle, the smartest motorcycle of all. Ciao.